Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the next part. And till now, we have discussed everything related to the angles and their properties and the lines, parallel and their properties. Now, today we are going to see angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, so let us see what we have to learn today. What is sum property? Just tell me. It states that a triangle have three angles and their sum is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so suppose we are given a PQR, a triangle, so angle P plus angle Q plus angle R would be 180 degrees. Now, the sum of the angle is 180 degrees, so 1, 2 and 3 are 180 degrees. They can be or cannot be equal, so it's not mandatory. Now, how they have drawn this conclusion? Just see that. They have drawn a line XY which is intersecting the PQ and PR with a common vertex at P, and they have named the other remaining angles as 4 and 5. We know for a fact that angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so we can write it down here and state that. Just a second. So we'll write angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Now, you can see that QR is parallel to XY. We have drawn in such a way. So, angle 5 is equal to angle 3. Alternate interior angles. Am I right? Yeah. Okay. Similar fashion, 4 is equal to 2. Same. Therefore, angle 2 plus angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Hence, the sum of a triangle of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Correct? Now, exterior angle of a triangle. If a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. So, this angle would be equal to, okay, so angle 3 would be equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. This property states that. Okay. Now, how? Just think. We have proved angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Correct? Now just think of this line and this angles. They are forming adjacent line on a linear. So by linear pair axiom we know that 4 plus 3 is equal to 180 degree. What we're gonna do, we're gonna just replace this 3 by this 3. So in equation we will write it as minus angle 4 equal to 180 degree. So we derive the solution angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Have I replaced it right? Yeah, it will be 2. So hence proved. Correct? I hope the solution is clear to you. In maths, you have to learn none. Okay, everything is proved. So you just need to see how they are arriving at a solution. Correct? So in next question, it is given that QT is perpendicular to PR. Okay. Now, when you will learn that perpendicular, just write it 90 degree. It's far better. Okay. You just know like this angles. TQR, T, Q and R is 40 degree. Correct. And T, PSR is 30 degree. Okay. Now we need to find these angles. We are supposing that this is X and this is Y. Okay. Now, since we know this angle and this angle, we can find this angle. How? Because, okay, I'm taking triangle POT. Okay. So, angle, I'm naming it as 1. Angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 120, 60. Okay. So, this is angle 2. This is, suppose this is 1, so this will be 2. And angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Vertically opposite. Correct? Again, a triangle is formed. Triangle OQS. So, again, angle Y would be equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree. 60 plus 40. So, 80 degree. Correct? So, we have found Y. Okay. So, just see triangle P, T, Q and R. Okay. We need to find X and we know other two angles. So angle sum property, 180 minus 90 minus 40. 90 plus 40, 130. So x would be 50. So we have found x, we have found y, hence we have drawn the conclusion. The sides AB and BC of a triangle ABC are produced to extend to E and D. Okay, if bisectors BO and CO form of triangle CBE and angle BCD are meet at point O, then prove that angle BOC. Okay, we are just naming the angle so that it's clear to you. Angle 1, and this is angle X already named. So we have to prove that angle 1 is equal to 90 degree minus x by 2. Correct? How we would do that? First of all, for basic, we know x plus y plus z is 180 degree. Correct? And these two angles are equal. Suppose that it is 2, 2, 3 and 3. So we also know that, okay, I'm just writing it down what all we know. Okay, you also need to approach the solution in the same fashion, correct? And we know that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is also equal to 180. Also we know that angle 2 in terms of angle y, just tell me, 180 minus 2 y. No, it would be y by 2. Correct? Because angle 2 plus angle 2 plus angle y equals to 180 degree. Correct? So angle 2 is equal to 180 degree minus angle y divided by 2. So it would be 90 degree minus y by 2. In the same manner, angle 3 would be equal to 90 degree minus z by 2. Replace this on this equation. Equation number 1. Just add it. So we'll arrive at a solution that angle 1 equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree minus y by 2. Okay. And minus 90 degree minus z by 2. Correct? So we will arrive this conclusion that x plus y angle 1 is equal to y plus z to 2 angle 1. Correct? So replace this y plus z here and you will get that angle 1 is equal to 90 degree minus x by 2. And this is what we needed to prove. Hence proved. Correct? Okay, so we have completed the chapter and we have discussed everything that is related to the same. So just quickly revise what we have learned in this chapter. If a ray stands on a line, then the sum of two adjacent angles who form is 180 degree and vice versa. This property is known as linear pair axiom. If two lines intersect each other, then vertically opposite angles are equal to one another. If transversal intersect two parallel lines, then corresponding pair of corresponding angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal, and pair of alternate interior angles or interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. And also any pair of corresponding angles, if equal, then the lines are parallel to each other. And similar fashion, they all have been conversely proved. Lines which are parallel to a given line are parallel to one another. Sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. If side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles of a triangle. Correct? So I hope the chapter is clear to you. We have discussed each and everything in detail, and let's hope that you are able to solve every question. Thank you so much for reading the lecture.